So today we are going to learn an important concept in capitalization, that is leverages. Friends, you are knowing in the formation of capital for the company, leverage plays a very vital role. A leverage basically is a measure of a risk that is involved in the business. So if you have to identify the amount of risk that is present in the business, you need to calculate the leverages. Technically in finance, a leverage is a term which studies the impact of changes in one financial variable onto another financial variable. So when you are forming a capital structure for the company, your leverages should be under control. That is, your leverage should be in the capacity of the organization's profitability. Okay, now we will see the leverage and its various types. Friends, basically there are three types of leverages. Number one, it is operating leverage. Number two, it is financial leverage. And number three, it is combined leverage. Okay, so these are the three major types of leverage. Operating leverage, which is more popularly known as OL, financial leverage, which is more popularly known as FL, and combined leverage, which is more popularly known as CL. Okay, now operating leverage is the leverage which tries to measure the business risk of the company. Financial leverage is trying to measure the financial risk of the company, and combined leverage togetherly tries to see the overall risk of the company. Now we will see the formulas of operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage. Okay, so the formula for operating leverage, that is OL, is contribution divided by EBIT, where EBIT is earnings before interest and tax. Formula for financial leverage is EBIT divided by EBT, that is earnings before interest and tax divided by earnings before tax. And the formula for combined leverage, you can get combined leverage either by doing the multiplication of operating leverage and financial leverage, or there is another formula, that is contribution divided by EBT. Okay, so these are the formulas to calculate the operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage. I repeat, for operating leverage it is contribution upon EBIT, for financial leverage it is EBIT upon EBT, and for combined leverage it is operating leverage into financial leverage or contribution divided by EBT. I hope you have understood the leverage and its importance. Closing statement: when you are studying the leverages, your company should always have a capital structure whereby the leverages of the company are within the limits of the capacities of the profitabilities. I hope you have understood the concept and study it. Take care. Thank you.